Do, 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 da, 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 da. Huh? Scooby! Scooby Dooby Doo for the Amstrad Cpc. It's a vintage computer cassette tape program for this vintage computer. You know, back in those days, these kinds of things almost took forever to load, but you sat there patiently as you waited. Sometimes you would sit there forever waiting for this computer program to start, as you were thinking to yourself, is it ever gonna start? As you're about ready to rip out your hair, then it suddenly does. That's a fact. Oh man, Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? Oh yeah, I forgot you're on this vintage computer cassette tape program. Scooby Dooby Doo for the Amstrad Cpc. It's a vintage computer cassette tape program. Na 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 na. This computer game couldn't be made without you. Na 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 na. Air, 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 air. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, sometimes computer games like this kind of do that sometimes. You know, where it goes to an error message or it just kind of clunks. Yeah, I'm sure you vintage computer fans out there remember those good old days where something kind of suddenly just kind of tanks on ya. Well, anyway, my name's Tim Johnson. I'm gonna introduce you to the insides of the. Come on, we're gonna look. Look at that. Scooby Dooby Doo. Come on. HANNA BARBERA, 1986, but it's from 1987 though, so I'm not sure what that means. Yeah. We're gonna take a look, a little up close. See that? Scooby Doo. Elite. Here. This is my favorite part. I get to open it up. Oh, hold on a minute. Oh. Alright, well, here you go. Back. Yep, it's a goodie. Hold on. Now that. In the castle mystery, y'all. Hold on. Comes in lots of different languages too. Yeah. Yep. Maybe if I did it as a flip book or something, it might. Nah, it wouldn't do that. Well, okay. Here you go. Let me try it. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Yeah. All right. Well, it's by a computer game company called Elite. Elite, I tell you, Elite. Oh yeah. By the way, bye everyone. Bye.